How do I use installed Vim in Git Bash instead of the one that came with Git? I've installed Vim and Git too. C:\program files, x86, Vim vertical bar Git, respectively. When I run Vim from Git Bash, it runs the internal version of Vim that came with the Git installer. Is there a way to override this behavior that doesn't involve changing my .profile or .bash or the like so that I can run the version of Vim that I installed in program files? Thanks.
By default, Git runs Vim from git_bin/vim. This is actually a script that contains path to the executable itself. Therefore, you can edit this file to point to your Git location. The default editor can be overridden in git /etc/gitconfig.
Assuming that changing content of C:\. If you have C:\. For this to work, Vim should be run as Vim and not by a full path. You probably have your program files, x86, directory on an NTFS volume, so you can remove Vim executable installed by Git and make a symbolic link to real Vim executable.
If your installation of Vim is available on path, open up PowerShell console and execute this. Git config global core.editor $git command vim $$_source replace \\. It will set your Git editor to Vim that is on path.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.